are coming to you live from the San Juan Arena para sa inyong Season 88 ng NCAA. The two of the hottest teams dito sa ating season will be clashing as the JRU Heavy Bombers will be taking on the San Sebastian Golden Stags. It is Calvin Abueva and the rest of the Stags taking on Nate Matute and the rest of the Heavy Bombers. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Ernest Aide, kasama ko ngayon Dominic Oid. Dom, this is a game where two teams that are trying to really put their stamp on this season.
Well, especially for JRU, Aaron. 3 straight wins para sa JRU. Nobody expect them to be undefeated this early in the campaign. Ito namang San Sebastian, natalo sila nung first game nila but they've won their next two. Gusto nilang bigay yung unang talo ng JRU and to claim #1 spot if they get this win today.
Alright, speaking of that spot, tignan natin ngayon ang ating team standings as of today. And because of that win by Arellano a while ago, this is where we stand. JRU at the top, 3-0. Kaon yung huling undefeated team natin. And San Sebastian in 4th spot with 2-1.
Well, if San Sebastian wins in today's ball game, they go all the way up to #1, 3-1, because the winner over the other rule. Ito namang JRU will go 3-1. Pretty much tied for first place. But you gotta look at Arellano University. They came off that win earlier on. They have won their last two games. So the games here in the NCAA are getting more and more exciting because the teams from below are starting to win and slowly creeping up to the guys at the top.
Ang JRU pati ang San Sebastian, parehong koponan na to. They're both coming off of great wins. For JRU, it's 3 in a row. For San Sebastian, it's 2 in a row. At para sa dalawang teams na yan, it is being led by Calvin Abueva and Nate Matute. Of course, Calvin Abueva leading the pack for the Golden Stags at naman itong si Nate Matute leading the way for the Heavy Bombers. These are two of the best scorers in the face of college basketball today.
Well, you look at these two guys and they are the #1 players for their teams. When you look at Calvin Abueva, he has just been leading this team. He's averaging 18 points and 18 rebounds. So that means he can score, he can rebound. And in the last game, he had 11 assists. So pinapakita niya na kaya rin niyang mamasa. But Nate Matute, really the bomber para dito sa JRU. He scored 30 points in their last game, 7 out of 10 shooting from the field.
At tingnan mo naman, ito yung scouting report natin para sa parehong koponan. The biggest thing here for Calvin Abueva is, like you said, he is an improved passer. Something that we have not seen in his game before, but we are seeing it here in Season 88.
What you like about Calvin Abueva, he's beginning to understand the game. Hindi na dinadaan lang sa lakas ng kanyang katawan, but he's actually getting the other players involved. And Coach Topex Robinson will definitely be pleased with an attitude like that. Once you understand the game, how to make it easier for you to be able to get more W's, that is scary for everybody else aside from the San Sebastian Recoletos staff.
Speaking of scary, it's scary to be any big man going up against two of the big men that we will be seeing today. Yun nga naman ngayon, sila ang magtatapat. Let's take a look at the bigs for both teams as Ian Sangalang para sa San Sebastian and John Lopez, a man that you are very, very high on, will be clashing dun sa ating gitna.
Well, look at Ian Sangalang. He's 20 years old, 6'5", and only on his 3rd playing year. He definitely has the skills to be able to be a big man in the PBA. So he's somebody that, everybody will vote for. But I kind of like itong si John Lopez. He's 23 years old, 6'3", an undersized big man, but very aggressive. I personally feel that he actually has a place in the PBA.
Well, he does have a place in the NCAA, and that right now is all of his concern. He is graduating, and he is looking at Ian Sangalang as one of the biggest things that he needs to conquer, especially here today. Now, punta naman natin ang ating stadium announcer para makilala na natin ang starting 5 for both teams as San Sebastian take on the Heavy Bombers.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening from the Philoil Flying V Arena here in San Juan for Saturday's main event in your Season 88 of the NCAA. Let's meet the starters first. for the San Sebastian Golden Stags. And off guard number 4, Jovit De La Cruz. Point guard number 14, Lyle Antepuesto. Center number 10, Ian Sangalang. Forward number 13, Ronald Pascual. And at power forward number 7, Calvin Abueva. Head coach of the Golden Stags, Topex Robinson. And now, starting for the squad, the only undefeated team in the senior division, the JRU Heavy Bombers. At point guard number 17, Alex Almario. Forward number 5, Clint Nunez. Center number 16, Ralph Montserrat. Power forward number 14, John Lopez. And the off guard number 19, Nate Matute. Head coach of the Heavy Bombers, the aerial voyager, Vergel Corpus Meneses. The officials for this ballgame, Maynard Ballester, Rami Mamibin, and Ian Walton.
Ito po ang ating starting fives for both teams. Antepuesto, De La Cruz, Sangalang, Pascual, Abueva ang 5 ng San Sebastian. And it is Lopez, Salmario, Matute, and the rest of the Heavy Bombers to take on a team like San Sebastian that is definitely in it to win it, of course. Kasama rin natin ngayon sa ating panel, PBA veteran, Boybits Victoria. Welcome to the panel. I guess we will be fixing that just a little bit. I guess it's working now, Boybits.
Hello.
Oh, there you go.
Veteran, pwede ba rookie na lang ulit? It's good to be back. It's good to be back. Yung intensity, yung excitement na lagi mong nararamdaman na naglalaro ka pa. Now it's back.
At alam mo, itong si Boybits Victoria, one of the most highly recruited nung time niya.
Bakit? Ikaw, nung time mo?
Dali, sa pinag-uusapan natin eh.
Konti pa lang players nun eh.
JRU giving the ball away right there as Almario going a little bit too strong to Matute. Kaya babalik na naman sa Paste na may 1-point lead to start out.
Aaron, maganda yung simula. Itong si Roland Pascual, you wanna see him being aggressive dahil nanggaling nga siya sa isang ACL injury. He hasn't really been playing too well para sa San Sebastian in their first 3 games.
Lopez kicking it out to Nate Matute. Being in a pick kay Montserrat, instead getting it back to Lopez kontra Sangalang, and that's what you were talking about. Great move by John Lopez.
Ngayon, alam mo, kanina sinasabi ni Dom na believer siya ni Lopez. Parang believer na rin ako ni Lopez.
Kaya maganda dito kay John Lopez. He moves well without the basketball. And kailangan mo sa isang player, especially in the PBA, yung hindi na maagaw ng bola dun sa mga superstars.
May pito, and it will be a foul called on Lopez on the bottom. So San Sebastian will have 14 on the 24. Abueva, early offense off of the glass and in. Unang field goal yan ni the beast, Calvin Abueva.
Alam nyo, isang reason ba't ako nanonood is because of this Calvin Abueva. Sabi nila, there's a beast in the NCAA. Now I'm seeing the beast of a player. Dito nga talaga.
Nate Matute also, ang dami a lot of people talking about Nate Matute na yung shooting niya is bar none in college basketball.
You know, he's averaging 60% from the field. And he's shooting majority of his shots from the outside. Napakataas nun.
Matute challenged by Abueva. Nilipat ulit ng San Sebastian yung bola. The beast driving. Great drop pass to Sangalang.
You can't ask for more. You can't ask for more.
Ang maganda dito kay Calvin Abueva, we mentioned it at the top of the coverage, natututo na siya, naiintindihan niya na yung basketball na mas mahirap siyang depensahan kapag namamasa siya.
Yan pa. Siguro nasa coach din yan eh. Naipa-understand na mabuti ni Coach Topex kung paano siya mas magiging effective.
So Lopez has 2 fouls. You take a look again at that pass galing kay Abueva to Sanggalangan. Coach Topex on your screens enjoying what his big men are doing so far. Abueva again. Heat check para sa kanya. Mintis. At nilipat ulit ngayon sa JRU possession. Nunez. And Montserrat got on the same page. Kaya babalik na naman ng San Sebastian. Ito yung magiging problema ni Coach Vergel Meneses. 2 fouls agad-agad kay John Lopez, who will be the one that will have to guard Ian Sanggalang.
Kapag tinignan mo itong lineup ng JRU, they rely heavily on their wing guys. They have very limited big men at mas mahirap pa kayo niyan na may 2 foul na si John Lopez.
Scary fall para kay Ronald Pascual. And everybody checking to see if he's fine.
And that's the second time that he's gone to the basket hard and gotten fouled and he's fallen down. But you gotta love yung kanilang aggressiveness na pinapakita ni Pascual. Hindi pa nga maganda yung kanyang linalaro. In the 2 out of the 3 games na linaro nila, there are 2 games that he didn't score and he's one of the better scorers for Coach Topex Robinson.
I remember the time na si Coach Ato pa yung coach ng San Sebastian. That was the last game I watched. Yung nag-champion sila. This guy really blew me away. Nung napanood ko siya, yung athleticism, the way he shot the ball, talagang potential PBA player.
3-point lead para sa Golden Stags. Mabulak. Great move by Alvario.
Using his quickness that time, getting one shot fake, getting his defender in the air, and going for the layup.
Calvin Abueva taking it all the way. Joven de la Cruz. Pascual galing sa labas. Bam! Got that one.
6 points now for Pascual. This could be his best game so far in season 88.
At nga yung nagiging problema kay Ronald Pascual with Coach Topex was that he didn't know how to handle him with the injury. So this is the first time that you're really seeing him start and really get the touches from the get-go.
Well, in their first game, he started out also. At hindi ganun kaganda ang kanyang panimula. Could have been too excited with that first game against Letran. You're happy to see a player na makabalik sa isang injury.
Wow, ang hirap niyan. Kailangan talagang dedicated ka para ka makabalik. Yung minor injury, sobrang mahirap na ibalik.
Lalo na ACL pa.
ACL pa.
5 turnovers already for JRU. Yan pa yung kauna-unang turnover para sa San Sebastian. 12-6. Matute missed a 3-pointer a while ago. Nunez. Mabulak. Matute trying to fight for it. Mabulak with the ball again. Sinead Manu, 24-second shot clock violation. Coach,
one of the things when you're playing in college basketball, it gets so loud, hindi na kayo magkarinigan, hindi mo alam na yung shot clock mo is winding down.
We got a timeout on the floor.
"3 a.m. by Keiko Necesario. "Brown" by James Leyte. "Himig ng Panahon", Thyro Alfaro. "Slow Dancing", Kennard Faraon. "Bawat Hakbang", Carl Villuga. They're young but they're ready to conquer. Follow their journey on the Philippine Popular Music Festival on July 14 at the PICC and on TV5. To vote, text PhilPop to 2929 for Smart and Sun. PhilPop, make music.
12-6 in favor of San Sebastian. And speaking of San Sebastian, puntahan natin ngayon si Miss Ai de la Cruz with the report on Calvin Abueva. Ai.
Almost 2 weeks na naging preparation ng San Sebastian Stags for today's game. Pero ganun pa man, they're not quite in top shape. Ito ay dahil si Calvin Abueva ay meron palang ubo at sipon. 1 week na nakakalipas, hindi pa
ko dito kay Calvin Abueva. Sa lahat naman ng mahahawa ko doon pa sa sipon niya.
Ay, hindi man lang sa laro eh, no?
Sana sa laro.
Ronald Pascual making
Para
that
mas magaling ka
three-pointer.
naman dyan, Tom. Palahon mo.
9 points na para kay Ronald Pascual.
Alam mo itong press ng JRU, natatandaan ko na naglalaro pa ako sa mga Pumaren. Nung first year ko sa PGA, kakampi ko si Coach Verhel noon. Every time kami makakashoot, puro kami press, kaya pagod na pagod kami.
Well, largely, yung 3 wins nitong JRU has been largely because yun sa kanilang depensa na pinapakita nga nila simula pa lang ng depensa.
Talaga. Sa conditioning, bibilip ka rin sa ginagawa ng JRU. Mahirap yan, mahirap ma-maintain, pero dahil kay Coach Verhel, sana ma-maintain nila yan.
Mabulak as the ball stripped away. It will be a jump ball. Possession arrow po nakaturo sa side ng JRU. So mananatili pa rin sa Heavy Bombers. And despite that full court press, they are down by 9 points. Mabulak. Villarias. Mario, he in a big teardrop at the buzzer. No. Abueva. Behind the back. The beast all the way. Got it.
Wow. Talagang napakalas itong bata na to.
Calvin Abueva that time opting to go for the basket. He saw the lane, got the shot, made the basket.
And because of the pass a while ago, medyo nag-isip na yung depensa ng JRU. Baka may drop pass eh. So take a look at this again. Behind the back a while ago, crossing it over, and they had to prepare for that drop pass, making it easier for Calvin Abueva.
Doon ka bibilip sa kanya, di ba? Parang unorthodox yung the way he dribbles the ball, pero he gets the job done. He gets the job done. Kaya niyang mag-penetrate, kaya niyang pumasa, kaya niyang shoot yung bola.
Jed Salaveria to the free throw line. Mintis yung una. Double 8 violation, so possession arrow will point towards San Sebastian. Offense has been a problem for JRU to start out. Well, their defense hasn't been very spectacular either.
A big lift for San Sebastian with Pascual scoring 9 points here in the first quarter.
Abueva to Antepuesto. De la Cruz. Pascual, pull up again, got it, that's a long two.
And you can see the smile on the face of Roland Pascual. His best game so far dito sa season 88.
11 points for him, 21-8 in favor of San Sebastian. Take a look at this. Great step in, step back, hitting that long two. It is Paste up by 13.
Ronald Pascual ng San Sebastian kasi outside shot, drive, rebounder, then yung form ng shot niya sobrang perfect para sa akin. Sa tingin ko malaki yung chance niya kasi yung skills niya pang PBA talaga eh.
Jason Castro, of course, former PCU Dolphin. Ang laki ng praises niya dito sa batang to na si Ronald Pascual. And when you're a player that came off of a long injury, this is a breakout game for you. It means a lot.
Then you're just waiting for that breakout game na kailangan mabalik yung kumpiyansa mo. Lahat nagsasabi na kaya mo naman, but you need to be able to feel it and realize it para makabalik because yung kumpiyansa ng sarili mo will really come from yourself.
Pascual. Siya pa rin ang may tangan ng bola. Binigay kay Abueva for a long three. Vintes. Despite three JRU heavy bombers fighting for that rebound in his last touch off of them, Sanggalang siya lang mag-isa. Means an extra possession for the Golden Stags. It's just so easy when you have somebody that big, no?
It's just too big for everybody. It's just too big for everybody.
Especially pag inakit niya na yung bola, ganun kataas, nobody can block him on the part of the JRU squad.
Villarreal, Pintes. Last touch off of JRU. So babalik na naman ang San Sebastian who have a 13-point lead.
Alam mo, kanina ko pa napapansin yung press ng JRU. I think they should change it a little bit. Masyado nang napaganda ni Coach Topics yung press nila. Kaya medyo adjust mamaya na lang siguro ulit.
De La Cruz almost losing it. Pero nakuha pa niya Sanggalang. At De Puesto driving all the way. Trying to drop it off. Baluhanag, no. And that is the traveling on Bobby Baluhanag. One of the rare empty trips for San Sebastian and their offense.
Well, that time they got the offensive rebound. Baluhanag was called for the traveling violation.
Mabulang. Binigay kay Nate Matute. Matute may pick. Inside and hits it.
Alam mo, ngayon ko lang nakita itong Matute. Magaling pala talaga siya. The way De La Cruz defended him, wala nang magagawa. Talagang magaling lang yung bata. Magaling na, kaya shoot pa rin yung tira niya.
He was able to use the screen well para nabigyan siya ng konting kuwang to be able to make that jump shot.
Sanggalang is fouled.
Alam mo, Dom, buti na lang. Noon pa tayo naglalaro. yung pagka-physical ng game ngayon, para mahirapan tayong dalawa.
Tingnan mo naman yung crossover ni Matute, step back. And the consistency in Nate Matute's shot. Grabe, no? He doesn't have the same shot every single time.
Yung skills niya, talagang yung pag-stop niya for the shot, naka-balance, the way he handled the ball, talagang tamang-tama. So makikita mo yung follow-through, kagaya ng mga tinuturo ng mga coaches. Ngayon pa lang, Coach Ferrell, bilib ako sa'yo.
At yung sinasabi ni Boy Vince that time, madali naman maka-iwan ng isang defender. Pero yung maiwanan mo to be able to get a shot up that you're balanced, to get a higher percentage shot, yun yung ina-explain ni Boy Vince na napakahirap gawin because kaya mo naman mang-iwan eh. But if you're off balance, hindi mo naman matitira yun.
Sanggalang missing both free throws. And there you have a chance. Cut it down to single digits. Foul. And Mabulang, pupunta na naman si Charity Stripe para sa dalawang free throws. And this is the opportunity that JRU was waiting for. Walang Pascual, walang Abueva. Ito na yung pagkakataon nyo to make that comeback and see if the bench of San Sebastian can pick up the slack.
Siguro ngayon yung tamang mag-press sila. Ngayon yung mas tamang mag-press sila. Siguro mas makakakuha sila ng puntos. Ngayon nila masyadong didikdikin sa depensa.
Mabulang making the first and making the second as well. So, baba na naman sa single digits yung kalamangan ng San Sebastian. Inuya.
Palit ng depensa to 1-2-2. To 1-2-2 half-court trap ang JRU. Tingnan natin kung tutuloy nila sa zone defense. Ayan, naka 2-3 sila ngayon. Tingnan natin ang offense ng San Sebastian.
Sanggalang travels.
Galing, saktong-sakto. Saktong-sakto.
Si Boy Vince, ha?
Coach na coach, di ba? Coach na coach talaga.
Buti na lang, Coach Berel, hindi mo ako pinaya.
Kamasura throwing the ball away. Sanggalang all the way. And you love to see your big man run like that.
When you have a 6'5" guy getting the steal, anticipating anticipating the passing lane, being able to dribble for pretty much half court, being able to finish that fast break in balance. Napakagandang senyales.
At Kamasura, offensive foul. Trying to push off on Binuya.
Back-to-back turnovers para kay Kamasura.
Alam mo, yung pagpasok niya, na-change niya na yung ano eh. Yung momentum. Tapos 2 turnovers. Parang masakit yun.
Points off turnovers, 11 na para sa San Sebastian. Binuya driving all the way. Malucanag off the glass and in.
And that's taking it hard. Malucanag getting that dish off, taking it strong to the hoop, extending the lead of San Sebastian to 11, 25-14.
Matute. Sanggalang naman, playing some defense.
Now they're back to man-to-man.
Michael Luigo. Humingin ang pick. Binigay kay Joven de la Cruz. Driving off the glass. Luigo trying to tap it in. Wala. Matute. Pass breaking. Those might be the easiest 2 points he scored this entire season.
Well, he was able to leak out, anticipate, na nakuha na nila yung defensive rebound, getting the layup that time, made Matute.
Si Binuya with a mistake right there. Hinaharap niya si Ian Sanggalang. Hindi nga alam ang control ni Sanggalang dun sa poste. 36 seconds to go in the first quarter. 11-point lead para sa Golden Stags. Matute. Driving. Karampil. Balik na naman kay Matute. Tripped up. No foul call. Villarias galing sa labas. Got that three-pointer.
Ganda ng drive and kick. Alam mo, pag pinapanood mo yung mga bata ngayon, parang alam na alam nila kung asan yung ano, yung mga...
Mabulak to Villarias. Blocked! Great way to stay with the play right there. Jovit de la Cruz able to make sure that this still stays at an 8-point advantage para sa kanyang koponan. 27-19. Dom, great showing for this team so far.
A great start by San Sebastian, led by Ronald Pascual. It's a breakout quarter, at least. We'd like to call it the breakout quarter for him dito sa first quarter. San Sebastian now up by 8 after the end of the first quarter.
Umatikabong aksyon ang magaganap ngayong Sabado.
Uh-oh, we forgot about Cade! Big boot to Punk! Fast-paced dispatch. Oh, there's that five-knuckle shuffle.
Sina John Cena at Kane magsasanib puwersa kontra sa lakas ni na Chris Jericho at Big Show.
And Big Show, the world's largest athlete, and a leg drop to the back of Cena's neck.
Tutok na sa WWE Bottom Line, Sabado alas 8 ng gabi sa Active.
27-19, 8-point lead para sa San Sebastian Golden Stags. And you know, Boy Bits, you look at what's going on. Ikaw, naging teammate mo si Coach Vergel. This is a game that's kind of not really what we would want to see for him. You know, he's more of a defensive type of coach.
Actually, nung remember ko siya, offensive player siya. But with the pumanan si behind him, alam ko kompleto na yung Jerry. Babalik at babalik sila.
Tama yung sinabi ni Boy Benz that time. Vergel Meneses, known in the PBA because of his offensive skills. Because of his scoring.
Pero may time na nung nag-champion kami, siya ang stopper ng best offensive player namin. That's how he was. He was a winner. Gagawa siya ng paraan para manalo. Either mapa-offense o mapa-defense.
It is 8 points that separate the two teams.
Ito na yung favorite player natin.
Kamasura. It is Villarias, Kamasura, Matute, Karampil, and Mabulak. 5 for JRU.
No, kasi nung nakikita ko siya, nung first time ko siya napanood, napaka-control niya eh. Napaka-control niya. Hindi siya yung erratic na kagaya ng ibang point guard. Na magpasok lagi nagmamadali. With him, talagang slowly but surely. Calm and control.
Parang si Coach Boy Benz.
Oo, parang ganun lang.
Hindi pa siya tumitira ako, tira ko lang tira.
Kamasura driving all the way, no! And rebound for Calvin Abueva. You'll be joined by Pinuya, Rico, Ronald Pascual, as well as Michael Miranda. Calvin Abueva scoring again. Balik na naman sa Jason Lamang ng Baste. Villarias for 3. Mintes rebound kay Ronald Pascual. Pascual spinning. Oh, look at that.
Things definitely going well para kay Ronald Pascual. At yun ang kailangan ng isang player. Isang magandang simula para yung kumpiyansa mo tataas talaga.
Alam mo, nakakatakot tong San Sebastian na to, ha. Ma-maintain ni Alvin yung game niya, tapos yung Pascual pumutok pa. Sangga lang, consistent. Nakakatakot para sa mga ibang teams.
Matute for 3! And he didn't care if Michael Wico was right in front of him.
11 points in 11 minutes. Iba yun.
Pascual, pull up for 3. Sabi niya, kaya ko rin. Not this time. Last touch from Abueva. Ilipat na naman ng Jose Rizal University.
Alam mo, every time ako titingin sa bola, nandun si Calvin. Lagi siyang nandun.
Meron mga player na gano'n, may magnet sa bola.
Alam nila, si Abuda. One player na kahit saan mo ipasa yung bola, nandun siya parate. Same with Calvin.
That was three-pointer a while ago. Back to live action. Kamasura. Pinapatayan ni Binuya. Now with Nate Matute with 3 on the shot clock. He doesn't see it. Nope. Doesn't count.
Alam mo, maganda dito kay Nate Matute, he can really break down the defense. Kala mo wala na, but he has the knack of going right, going left. Tapos narilito talaga yung depensa before he's actually able to extricate himself from the defender and get a shot up.
Abueva driving. Pascual ulit. Got it! Ronald Pascual is on a tear in this game.
15th point of the game. Nakakatakot na to San Sebastian, ha?
Mabulak. Pinalik kay Kamasura. Nate Matute. Contra Jofit De La Cruz. Step back. Missing. And Nate Matute cannot do this all on his lonesome dub. Binuya for 3. Got it. And Coach Berhel Meneses needs to talk things over. Tatawag siya ng timeout ngayon. 36-22. Great offense in those last few possessions from San Sebastian.
Binuya just pulling up for 3, making the 3-point shot, extending the lead to 14. And just like what Coach Boybits was saying early on, nakakatakot tong San Sebastian because it's not just Calvin Abueva, but it's also Pascual, Sangalang, and the other guys from the bench scoring for Baste.
Triathletes from the Philippines and around the world are coming together to compete in the Olympic distance Century Tuna 5150 Triathlon Series Philippines. Speed, endurance, and mental toughness can either make or break those who dare push their limits in swimming, cycling, and running. Who will this year's Century Tuna Ironman be? Watch the Century Tuna 5150 Triathlon Series Philippines, July 21, 8 p.m. here on Active.
14-point lead, the biggest of the game para sa San Sebastian, 36-22. And JRU's hopes will rely on Nate Matute. And for more on Nate, punta naman natin ngayon si Miss Ai De La Cruz. Ai.
Alam nating lahat na magaling si Nate Matute pagdating sa basketball. In fact, he's the leading scorer right now for NCAA, averaging 25 points per game this season. Pero alam niyo ba, bukod sa basketball, magaling din pala siyang mag-beatbox. In fact, he has won awards for beatboxing for college level. Back to you, Aaron and Dominic.
Beatbox?
Kaya mo rin yun, di ba, Dom?
Hindi, tatanungin ko si Ai kung kaya niya.
Kaya niya mag-beatbox.
Or si Coach Boybits.
Game.
May hidden talent din yan, ha?
Kaya nga tinatago ko na lang.
Matute will sit down after that timeout. Mabulak, Mendes, yung alley-oop play na yun. Almario kakapasok lang and he will have that second chance opportunity.
Alam mo, nare-remember ko yung play na yun, parang kay Verhel yun. Basta mga alley-oop, parang kay Verhel yun.
Pero nung high school, si Coach Boy Vince, yung mga alley-oop play sa kanya din, ha? One of the strongest jumpers.
Oo.
Kaya lang, nung dumating ako sa collegiate level, ako na lang yung tigapasa.
So, San Sebastian missing on that opportunity, and Coach Topex not happy with the way his point guards have been playing so far. Kamasura kontra Pinuya. John Lopez nakakapasok lang ulit para sa JRU Heavy Bombers. 4 on the 24 kontra Calvin Abueva. That is an offensive foul, and that is 3 on him.
Alam mo, mahirap yan eh. Pag natawagan ka ng dalawang fouls, pagbalik mo, pipilitin mo kaagad yan para gumanda yung game eh.
That time, a little bit too aggressive itong si John Lopez. Pag-ikot niya, eksakto nandun si Calvin Abueva. Hindi ka naman madali pabagsakin itong si Abueva.
That's one thing about Calvin. He knows how to position himself para makakuha ng mga offensive foul. Pinapanood ko siya a few games, iba siya. Talaga makikita mo yung passion dun sa game.
Tsaka tumataas na yung basketball IQ ng player eh. Joven De La Cruz and Ian Sangalang check, as well as Antipuesto check into the game para sa San Sebastian. John Lopez will sit down right away. Abueva, court 3, got it. And now that makes it 34 of the 39 points of San Sebastian coming from the Pinatubo trio. De La Cruz, Mendes, Abueva, scoring again.
Sige, ayaw niya na kasi.
Andun pa rin siya. Nasa pa rin.
Rebound na lang.
13 points na para kay Calvin the Beast Abueva. Kamasura throwing it away. And the problems keep coming for JRU.
Well, when you have the big three, Sangalang, Pascual, and Abueva playing sweet music, napakahirap pigilan, and sweet music it is para kay Calvin Abueva with that isolation on top, showing off his dribbling skills, hitting the three. Ngayon naman, pinakita niya ang offensive rebound, showing that passion for basketball.
Alam mo, nakaka-12 turnovers na itong JRU.
Able to score off of that turnover opportunity.
And that's a good thing that Boybins pointed out. Dahil sila dapat yung nagpo-force ng turnovers. Usually, pagka nagpa-pressure defense ka, you want to be able to force turnovers or delay the basketball. Pero ngayon, sila yung nagtatapon ng bola. Kaya naman napakadali ng opensa for San Sebastian.
Alam mo, for sure, pinag-iisipan na ng Coach Verhel kung paano nabipit yung kanyang trap. Ang pansin ko lang, basta pag nabigay kay Abueva yung bola sa gitna, everybody in front, dapat bumaba na eh. Dapat bumaba na para matulungan nila kasi inaatake talaga ni Calvin.
One of the rules pag nagde-depensa ka, you always have to be in between the ball and the basketball court. Hindi pwedeng nauuna sa'yo yung bola o nasa likod mo yung bola because that means hindi ka na makakapulog sa depensa.
Ang problema, pag pinasa kay Calvin, napakabilis. Pag hahabol ka pa lang, nandun na sila sa may ring agad.
So 2 free throws for Ian Sangalang. Pasok yung una. And he has one more coming to him. 16-point advantage para sa Golden Stags. Mintis yung pangalawa. Almario checking into the game now para sa Heavy Bombers. De La Paz. Villarreal hingi ng pick. Montserrat. And the ball will just sail out of bounds. 3 on the 24. Mananatili pa rin sa Heavy Bombers yung possession. And how long can Coach Verhel Meneses gamble with Nate Matute on the bench?
Well, if you look at Nate Matute, you want his scoring. But you also want to be able to give other guys the opportunity to come back from a lead like this. So Coach Verhel opting to sit down Nate Matute for the meantime. Maybe to get him thinking dahil maganda ka ang kanyang linalaro pero kailangan mo rin bigyan ng oras yung iba mo mga lalaro to be able to mature as players and as a team.
Alam mo, naiintindihan ni Verhel yan for sure. Alam niya kung kailan niya gagamitin yan. Pinagpapahinga niya lang, sinasite niya lang yung iba mga kasama niya siguro. Or sina-challenge niya lalo si Matute.
Alex Almario, binigay kay Villarreal. Karampil, missing everything right there. Rebound will go to Ronald Pascual. At agad-agad na kay Calvin Abueva para masimulan na yung apensa ng Golden Stags. Antepuesto, hihingi ng pick galing kay The Beast. Sanggalang, double team. Missing, rebound for Jobin De La Cruz. And he is blocked from behind.
That's a big no-no. The guy is coming from the corner. Naka-offensive rebound pa. Big no-no yan pagdating sa depensa.
Kung titignan mo yung post-offense sa San Sebastian, nakakatakot. Sanggalang on the post, ang cutter mo si Abueva, shooter mo, meron kang De La Cruz, saka yung point guard nila. Paano ka ba to double? Lahat butas eh.
At saka may Pascual pa yan.
May Pascual pa.
At yung sinasabi ni Coach Boy Pinchan, kailangan mong tumobol dahil napakalaki itong si Sanggalang and nobody can match up against him. At least with the 5 guys so far dito sa JRU.
Napakadali ng basketball para dito sa San Sebastian. Ang nakakuha ng rebound si Calvin, pinato na lang.
And Ian Sanggalang being the tallest guy on the floor. Tingnan mo naman, bigyan mo na ng touchdown yan. Sanggalang, even with 2 defenders, post moves, good footwork, getting that basket plus the harm. So Ian Sanggalang, babalik na naman sa free throw line for one more. Missing there. It's 1 of 5 from the charity stripe. 20 na po yung lamang ng Golden Stags. Villarreal has the ball stolen away from the Beast. Pero magta-traveling lang tong si Calvin Abueva. Nanggigil masyado.
Ayan, papasok na si Matute. Tingnan natin kung anong may contribute niya para bumaba to lamang ng San Sebastian.
Biggest lead of the game right now at 20. De La Paz against Sanggalang. Salaveria, Mintis. Salaveria ulit, Mintis ulit. And he will get his own rebound. So, Almario galing sa labas.
Alam mo, sinusubukan talaga nila eh. Kung yung energy, yung hustle lang hahanapin mo sa players, hindi eh. Makikita mo yan sa players ng JRU. Kaya lang talagang mas dominante hanggang ngayon sa first half yung San Sebastian.
20-point lead for the Golden Stags, 46-26. Babalik po ang NCAA on active.
Simula July 28.
This could be possible.
I want to make my world records unbreakable.
So I've really got to just prove myself.
Sports 5 presents the 2012 London Olympic Games. See how greatness inspires. Dito sa Active, an official free TV broadcaster of the 2012 London Olympics. Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Oishi. Open up to everyday surprises. Oishi. Oh wow!
Sa mga naglalaro pa ngayon na nakasabay ko pa, masasabi ko si Calvin Abueva. Kaya sa capability na maglaro ng offense, defense, plus yung athleticism niya pa, para sa akin, siya yung mag-number 1 pick ngayon.
Siyempre, sasabihin ni Papo, hindi niya number 1 pick eh. Siyempre.
Well, he definitely has the makings, the athletic ability of being a number 1 pick. Mas lalo na pinapakita niya yun na yung kanyang basketball IQ, yung understanding of the game is drastically improving this season. Very big chance na maging number 1 pick si Calvin.
50 points na para sa The Beast. To go along with Sanggalang's 11 and Pascual's 15 as well, as Pascual will try and add to that again. No. But he will head to the free throw line for 2 free throws. Here na tayo din kasama natin ngayon, Dominic Uy and the 1994 PBA Rookie of the Year. Yon!
Pwede bang gawing 2000 din? Masyadong pinapalabas yung edad.
Pwede, basta, PBA Rookie of the Year na lang.
Former PBA Rookie of the Year. Ganun lang. Walang respeto doon.
Susubong ka kay Benji.
Hoy, congratulations nga pala.
Schoolmate.
Pascual to the free throw line. Pasok yung una. He has one more. Now has 16 points. Double A violation in favor of San Sebastian.
Big hole that JRU is in. Down by 21. 2 minutes and 28 left dito sa second quarter. And if you're Coach Vergel Meneses, gusto mo lang to get things positive, things going for you bago ka umabot dito sa halftime break.
Alam mo, ginagawa naman nila yung hustle, yung energy. Siguro konting execution lang. Get these guys into foul trouble para naman kahit pa paano meron silang baon pagdating sa second half.
Yalapaz stripped up by Sanggalang.
Gagaya niya, Sanggalang, big fish. Dapat mabawas-bawasan.
Well, talking about the Pinatubo trio, big fish nga, kasali dyan itong si Ian Sanggalang, naka 11 points siya. Calvin Abueva and Pascual both with 15.
Matute. And that, attack in the basket.
At marunong naman. At marunong tayo mag-math. 15 plus 15 plus 11 is 41. So 41 out of the 47.
16 na si Pascual. 16 na si Pascual.
42 out of the 47 points.
Marunong na tayo mag-math, ha? Nag-math na tayo.
Buti na lang, hindi nyo sa akin tinanong kanina.
Calvin Abueva will check in. And speaking of liking our math, si Magu Marzon nanonood din ngayon.
Magaling sa math yan.
Magaling sa math yan.
Magaling sa math yan.
Si Kuya Marjo.
Nate Matute missing on the first. Under 2 minutes to go in the first half.
Kuya talaga natin yan si Magu.
Oo.
Mukha lang bata ng konti pero kuya
Ahead
natin.
yan sa akin sa San Beda. Matanda sa akin yan ng mga 5 years.
5 years lang.
So sa akin, mga 10.
Ano pa kaya sa akin? Balik na naman sa 20 ang lamang ng San Sebastian. Antipuesto kontra Almario. Pascual. Great pass to Miranda. And Miranda.
Napakaganda ng flow ng opensa ng San Sebastian. Especially now that Pascual is playing well. He's able to move the basketball. The first few games, sa kanya yung bola tumitira siya pero hindi siya nakakashoot. But now that he's making his baskets, now that the defense of JRU has to put more attention to him, so mas nalilibre rin yung mga iba. So pag inikot nila yung bola, kung libre na dati, ngayon mas libre pa.
Dagdag ko lang yung mga players ng San Sebastian, kahit hindi sila yung umi-score, nalagi silang nasa tamang spot. There's one thing. Kaya tama, pag sumasablay yung mga kakampi nila, sila pa rin yung nakaka-rebound.
1 of 3 from the free throw line is Nate Matute. Coach Vergel Meneses, hindi niya magugustuhan na yung pinaka-shooter niya. Nagkakaproblema dito sa free throw line. Matute making that one though. Points para kay Nate Matute. Calvin Abueva against Carampil. Pull up. Wow. Wow.
Alam mo, naka-man-to-man defense sila. Nung nakita na nag-isolate, ginawa nila zona. Wala pa rin, nakashoot pa rin si Calvin.
17 points now for Calvin Abueva. And it'll just be more offense para sa Baste. Tingnan mo naman, crossover, pull up.
One of the things I noticed dun sa depensa ngayon ng JRU, they're letting Calvin Abueva dictate dun sa kanilang depensa. You gotta be able to make him think or make him decide right away kung ano ba ang gagawin niya.
May Mintis siya doon. Almario. Matute ngayon. Sabi ni Nate, mag-ayos muna tayo ng ating opensa. Karampil missing. And that's not the offense that Coach Vergel wants to be seeing. Antipuesto with a 12-second differential on the clocks. Miranda. Mintis, Karampil ang may rebound. And JRU will have the final possession if they choose to. Almario, pinigay kay Matute for 3. Got it.
The shooting percentage of Nate Matute, napakataas at wala siyang pinipilit na tira.
Wala. Talagang given sa kanya.
Calvin Abueva almost even making that one.
Wala ka na masasabi pa pag sumot pa yun. Ay talunin yung buzzer shot.
20-point lead para sa San Sebastian Golden Stags kontra sa JRU Heavy Bombers. 51-31. Magbabalik po ang NCAA on Active.
Si Ali Mumar, nandito ako sa San Sebastian College. Ngayon nagpe-pep rally ang San Sebastian Stags at Staglets at talagang excited ang buong student body para dito.
Give them a round of applause.
Golden Stags dito sa Active.
Mula dito sa San Sebastian College, talagang excited na lahat ng student body at ng faculty. Excited na rin kayo para sa lahat ng aksyon sa NCAA. Abangan yan dito sa Active.
Show you the highlights. Remember, mindset ng Petron. Tanggal na kami, tatanggalin din namin kayo. Dadami namin kayo. So we go to the opening quarter, but Japin said, anong tanggal-tanggal? A slam dunk. Pagdating ng second quarter, J-Wash, lots. J-Wash, 15-footer, and J-Wash really has that steady perimeter game. Ito sagot ni Ranidel. Ranidel for 3. And followed up by another move, this time by Jimmy Alapag. Pagdating ng third, things got intense. Daniel, classic move. Are you in the mood for some Crunchman Chicharon? Lunchtime move. Henge naman dyan. But in the fourth, talking text, they needed to win and they played like they needed to win. Yes, sir. Sa mga Twid, buhay pa ang kanilang pag-asa to enter the finals. It's not going to be easy, but the possibility is there.
Golden Stat, mama.
The Philoil Arena, that was the pep squad of San Sebastian Stags, the Golden Stags cheering squad. Ang laro po ngayon ay JRU Heavy Bombers versus the San Sebastian Stags. At ang una nating naiisip kapag binanggit na San Sebastian Stags ay walang iba kundi ang reigning MVP ng NCAA na si Calvin Abueva. Kilala natin si Calvin Abueva bilang the beast dahil sa kanyang malahalimaw na scoring at rebounding. Pero paano ba siya nakikilala ng kanyang mga kakampi? Sabay-sabay natin itong panoorin.
Abueva getting 2 points as well.
Calvin Abueva going straight to the basket.
Oh, rebound for Abueva.
No, and Abueva with another steal. A lot of steals and a lot of rebounds.
He was averaging close to 20 points a ball game.
Noong nagsimula ako,
Talagang bata pa kami, mga friends ko talagang lagi kami naglalaro tuwing hapon, tanghali. Tapos namin mag-eskwela, naka-uniform pa kami naglalaro. Pagka-uwi ko talagang matubing damit ko, talagang lola ko, so saan naman naglaro ang basketball.
Calvin Abueva is from Pampanga and he owns that offensive board.
Nakakilala kami sa Angeles, Pampanga nung naglalaro kami ng Interbarangay.
Pag napusta, kung wala kaming baon ng chinelas, talagang magyayapak lang kami, nakapaa, naglalaro.
Kapampangan talaga, hindi mo masasabi na iba siya kahit nasa ganitong stage na kami, yun pa rin yung ugali namin.
Grabe maglaro si Calvin sa Pampanga, babagsak sa semento, parang wala nangyari, sobrang tibay ng katawan.
Kapampangan, matapang talaga. Bigay mo yung loob mo, talagang kung anong pinapagawa sa'yo, gawin mo lang talaga.
That's what I'm saying. Probably the best finisher in the league. Abueva cannot be stopped if he has momentum.
About Calvin, he's like, it's either you're gonna love him or you're gonna hate him. You know, he's outgrown this league. You know, he's been a beast. That's what they call him. And he's really doing the works day in and day out.
Gagawin mo talaga ang lahat para hindi ka sumuko eh. Maglalaro muna ako, talagang usahin mo talaga paglalaro ko para makaon kami sa erapan sa mga Pampanga.
People might notice already he's really a family man. You know, he always have plans for his family all the time. He always talk about his family.
Sa practice, diretso bahay. Tapos, doon lang sa pamilya ko. Kung minsan pag walang practice, suwi ako ng Pampanga sa mga bariyada ko.
At ito, 4 years na kami magkasama, okay siya, parang lahat sa amin walang personalan, open kami sa isa't isa. Mabait siyang kasama.
Sobrang kulit niya off the court. Talagang makulit. May hilig mangasar.
Sa practice, talagang, sige, nagkabiruan. Pero pagdating ng game na, talagang pinupokus na talaga namin laro.
Abueva, open court, sakta lang! Ball slips out of his hands there. Pascual on the break gets the easy layup.
You know, he's been criticized a lot. He's been working really hard and he's been policing everybody here in the team.
Mas ginagana ko pag may nangasar sa akin kasi kung asarin ka nila, parang sa'yo isip mo yung parang wala na, ganun. Eh sa akin, pag was binubusto ko, niloko ko, mas ginaganaan ako na makipaglaro sa kanila.
I was telling him na pag hindi ka na kinikriticize ng tao, doon ka mag-alala. Okay? Because that means wala ka ng work.
Nagbago sa kanya ngayon, naging na siya. Naging relax siya, di siya masyadong Dati lagi siyang bara-bara, gano'n. Ngayon, sobrang na siya. Matalino na siya sa court.
Kino-control ko yung sarili ko. Kung kailangan kong miscore, kung kailangan kong pumasa, mamasa ako. Talagang inaano ko talaga ngayon, pinagpo-focus ko talaga yung pumasa talaga sa teammate ko para makuha ko yung assist.
You know, kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa kanya during the games, ganun din siya kahit sa mga kakampi niya. And if you would ask a coach kung ano yung gusto mo sa player mo, being your #1 player on the team is always working hard, you know, always doing the right things all the time, you know, so you would love it.
Ako si Calvin the Beast Abueva na San Sebastian Golden Stars.
Grabe nga naman talaga to si Calvin Abueva. The Beast talaga. Sabi nga ng isang teammate niya si Ronald Pascual, sa Pampanga daw kapag bumagsak siya sa semento, parang wala daw nangyari kapag tumayo. So kung gusto niyo yung halftime feature namin, kung nagustuhan niyo, padala niyo sa amin ang mga reactions niyo sa aming official Twitter account. At baka basahin namin ang inyong tweets next game. At ngayon naman, stay tuned for more NCAA action here on Active.
Takusa by Byron de Camara. Piso by Chris Melesio. Tayo-tayo lang, Toto Seryoso. Ulo ng Dila by Noah Zuniga. Kesa by Edwin Maroliano. Different lives, different music, one dream. Follow their journey on the Philippine Popular Music Festival on July 14 at the PICC and on TV5. To vote, text PhilPop to 2929 for Smart and Son. PhilPop, make music.
Pilipinas, Mapapanood mo na ng live ang 2012 London Olympics. 14 days na lang. Tutukan ang record-making and breaking action dito sa active and official free TV broadcaster of the 2012 London Olympics. A presentation of Sports 5. Matinding suntukan na dapat makatutukan ngayong linggo sa big-time bakbakan ang tinaguriang youngest British Olympic medalist at youngest British world champion ever, Amir Khan.
Nagbabalik po ang inyong NCAA on active. 51-31 po yung lamang ng San Sebastian kontra sa undefeated Jose Rizal University. Aaron Atayde, Dominic Uy, and Coach Boy Vince Victoria. This is a game that, you know, JRU has yet to be really tested this season. At ngayon nga siguro yun.
Napakaganda na simula ng San Sebastian. Pero JRU, kailangan makabalik dito sa third and the fourth quarter.
Alam mo, konting adjustment siguro dun sa press nila, tsaka sa zone defense. Nagawa nila one time, pero hindi na din na nabalikan. So I'm siguro na hinuhulaan ko na pagdating na second half will do that. Kasi naging successful sila isang beses, pero hopefully sa second half medyo kumanta.
Alright, ngayon naman puntahan natin ang ating highlights ng first half where we saw San Sebastian just go on a tear. Pinatubo is erupting and these three players have just been killing it on the floor.
Napakaganda na ginagawa nito si Calvin Abueva. He's actually passing the basketball, making it a lot more difficult for the defense. Pero ang storya, yung first quarter, it was Pascual who was scoring so well for the San Sebastian Stags. Calvin Abueva going straight to the hole that time. At yun, pinapakita niya that he's really the beast. And the beast has been amazing so far this ball game already with 17 points and 5 rebounds.
Tingnan mo naman, 17 para sa kanya. Ronald Pascual has 16 and Ian Sagalang has 11. Coach, when these three players are working at its finest, when they're scoring 44 out of the 51 points, what more can you do?
Defensively, siguro you have to slow them down a little bit. Then sana puputok yung offense mo. Matuto is doing a good job. Babalik si Lopez. Tingin natin na makatulong siya. Mawala yung gigil.
Tama yung sinabi ni Coach Boyven, slow them down. Because if you look at the statistics, binilisan ng San Sebastian ng laro. They had 10 fast break points, 17 points of the turnovers of JRU. They had 14. So, dahil dito sa mga turnovers na ito, binilisan ng laro ng San Sebastian. And they've just been virtually unstoppable. Now with a 20-point lead at the half.
At ngayon, tignan natin ang leading scores. Kita nyo na nga, Abueva, Pascual, and Sanggalang, 17, 16, 11. Binuya, yan yung trash kanina. Other than that, there's just 4 other points not on the scoreboard right there.
And when you look at JRU, Matute has been doing the scoring. But Villarias, Almario Lopez contributing a little bit. Pero malaking bagay sa kanila, early foul trouble by John Lopez.
Sana maging mabago itong second half para kay Coach Verhel. Kanina kasi niloloko niya ako. Sabi niya lahat ng teammates na nag-commentate nanalo siya. Sana hindi ako yung una.
51-31 as we are about to start the second half of action. Ang lima ng JRU, it is Brandon Porter to be joined by Mabulak, Salaveria, Alex Almario, and Nate Matute. Para naman sa kupunan ng San Sebastian, it is Joven de la Cruz, Antipuesto, Calvin Abueva, Sanggalang, and Ronald Pascual. Third quarter begins. Tignan natin kung makakapag-turn around na itong Heavy Bombers. They will be starting this half without John Lopez.
Alam mo, isa pa sa mga dapat iwasan ng JRU, yung mga offensive foul kapag nisiset ng pick yung mga big men nila para naman na magamit nila, makapag-attempt sila.
Porter, trying to ask for it in the post. Babalik kay Almario. 5 on the 24. Di yata alam ni Alex Almario. Matute with 1 on the shot clock, and that is 24-second shot clock violation.
Alam mo, ano yan ang point guard, ha? Dapat alam ng point guard yan na matatapos na yung shot clock mo. Dapat sinasabi mo yan sa mga kasama mo.
And that's That's the second turnover for JRU in terms of getting that same violation. At kanina, montik na rin silang 24-second violation. So you gotta give credit to the defense of San Sebastian.
Abueva dropping it off to Sanggalang. Napalpal nga lang itong si Ian Sanggalang. So babalik na naman ng JRU yung bola.
Nakakuha sila ng turnover. Ang ganda ng double ng big men nila kay Sanggalang.
Napaka-importante ng simula ng third quarter na ito para sa JRU Heavy Bombers.
Well, you gotta start out well. And so far, in the first less than a minute of action, hindi magugustuhan ni Coach Boybits, rather ni Coach Berhel Meneses yung simula. Because they turned the ball over and now, it's another turnover. So hindi pa sila nakaka-attempt.
Yeah. Isang 24-second shot clock, isang offensive foul. Masakit yan para sa coach. Pumuputi na buong ni Coach Berhel.
Oh, nakaupo na nga si Coach Berhel eh. Ayaw na niya tumayo. Joven de la Cruz scoring there. Almario para sa JRU. On the 24 para sa Heavy Bombers. Porter driving. Matutes blocked by the Beast. Calvin Abueva.
Nakita mo yung instinct niya sa paglalaro ng basketball. Nakita niya, malayo pa siya, nakita niya, natitira na si Matute, inunahan niya ng talon.
And that's the passion that Coach Topex Robinson was talking about. Sinabi pa ni Coach Topex, doon daw sa kanilang ensayo, he polices everybody who is not working hard. So napaka-ganda niyan to have your number one player, the most athletic guy, sinasabihan. Oh, the MVP, sinasabihan yung kanyang mga kasama kapag nagre-relax.
Ngayon, madali talaga ang trabaho ni Coach Topex. Kasi kung meron kang ganyang player, natatandaan ko that time nung panahon namin, si Olsen yon. Siya pinakamatanda sa amin, mas matanda sa akin si Olsen. Pag si Olsen ang nakita mo nagtatrabaho, lahat kayo susunod. Kahit napaka-superstar yung mga kasama namin, yung dalawang Danny, kung sino-sino pa mga superstar na sinama sa amin. Pero when you see Olsen Racela push himself to the limit, mapapahiya ka na lang. That's what Coach Topek has in his team right now.
5-second violation called on JRU. So turnover na naman para sa Heavy Bombers. That's a third unforced, well, not really unforced, but third consecutive. That's not a good start to the half. Turnover, galing kay Abueva and Alex Almario rather.
Ito yung unang turnover na nakita ko na hawak-hawak ni Calvin yung bola.
Well, the good thing that time, pressure nila si Abueva, making him protect the basketball, tapos may nanggaling na double from the blind side, forcing that turnover.
Pero ibibigay mo after 10 possessions against 1, okay lang, di ba?
Coach Topex Robinson on your screen.
Alam mo, hoping si Coach Berhel na pagpasok niya kay Porter, he'll give him something. Pero wala. Ngayon, binalik na naman niya si Kamasura.
De la Cruz. Foul on Kamasura. So, another offensive set para sa San Sebastian. Abueva kontra Mabulang. Pull up. Wow. He's feeling it today. They gotta put a little bit more pressure on Calvin Abueva. Napakadali masyado ng mga jump shots itong si Abueva.
Di mo alam paano mo didepensa. Pag nilapitan mo, dadrivean ka. Pag humelp ka, nag-a-assist.
Matute, passing it out. Kamasura against Abueva and he's blocked.
May block pa.
Dalawang block na yan para kay Calvin Abueva. Antipuesto. Pull up. He's trying to do it himself. Wala naman. Abueva, rebound. And that'll make 2 free throws.
Bibilib ka talaga sa puso nitong bata. Siya nag-set ng pick, kumat lang siya, may tumira, yung scramble ng bola, rebound siya na nawala nakakuha.
Balikan natin yung depensa. Siya rin yung na-roll pa, di ba? just playing both ends of the court. Bibihira ka makakita ng player na gumagawa niya.
Kanina, di ba, tinatanong mo kung may possibility na siya yung maging number 1 pick. Kung ako siguro, team owner ako, I think I'll go for him. I'll go for him. He has the heart. He has the heart to play the game. Iba yung passion. Kagaya nga sabi sa akin ni Coach Binky, meron kang papanood din sa NC na matutuwa. And now, I'm having fun.
Oh, I mean, yung makina nitong si Calvin Abueva, he has the engine that runs his body is what gets him to do everything that he does on the floor. Villarreal scoring there. And San Sebastian despite that basket, napaka-kontrolado po nila yung laban ngayon. Antipuesto trying to find Sanggalang. So, JRU will have it. Marami pang oras dito para sa Heavy Bombers. Villarreal spinning, passing, and Salaveria almost couldn't handle it there. Three-pointer on the way. Antipuesto para sa Baste. Pascual pinilit at may foul.
That was actually a good foul by San Sebastian, stopping the fast break ng JRU.
58-35, 23-point lead para sa Golden Stags. Magbabalik po ang NCAA on active.
Matinding suntukan na dapat makatutukan ngayong linggo sa Big Time Bakbakan. Ang tinaguriang youngest British Olympic medalist at youngest British world champion ever, Amir King Khan, babangkaing agawin ng WBC light welterweight title laban sa American boxer Danny Swift Garcia. The boxing showstopper versus the undefeated fighter. Walang patid na umbaga sa bugbugang walang atrasan. Khan versus Garcia, Sunday 12 noon via satellite dito lang sa Active, an official free TV broadcaster of the 2012 London Olympics.
Nagbabalik po ang NCAA on active, 58-35, and one of the Pinatubo trio has been one of the reasons why Baste is on this roll. At puntahan natin si Miss Ai De La Cruz with the report on Ian Sanggalang.
It is unquestionable na isa sa mga big men ng San Sebastian Stags itong si Ian Sanggalang. Pero alam nyo ba na at the height of 6 feet and 5 inches ay 20 years old pa lamang siya at magta-21 years old pa lang siya sa December 20. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Ai. Mga ka-age lang ni Dom. Oh! Age lang ni Dom yan.
Well, he has a bright future itong si Ian Sanggalang. Big guy who also has the heart playing and the instinct, the basketball instinct like that. That's the second time na nakita natin itong si Ian Sanggalang who can go coast to coast.
Bali, second time na yun, di ba? Yung sa dalawang steals.
I mean, we've been talking about Calvin Abueva a lot this game, pero Ian Sanggalang has been a very, very important part para sa San Sebastian all throughout his stay with the Golden Stags. Binuyak, kakapasok lang para sa San Sebastian. Binigay kay Abueva. Abueva is caught traveling. Too many steps para sa kanya.
That could be the first turnover of Calvin Abueva.
No, I think he's got about two already.
Make that 3.
Yeah, 3.
But sa ganda ng linalaro niya, hindi mo na mapapansin. Yung iba
kahit ako siguro si Coach Topex,
okay lang.
Ibigay ko lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Pascual, sa loob, binigay kay Ian Sanggalang. John Lopez, kakapasok din para sa JRU. Abueva to Sanggalang, who's blocked pero he's caught traveling as well.
Alam mo, this is the 6th, I think, turnover of San Sebastian, pero hindi pa rin napapababa ng JRU, ha? Yung kalamangan.
At ito na yung oras na kailangan si Nate Matute mag-step up para sa kanyang koponan. But it's getting difficult with Michael Wico. Tingnan mo naman yung depensa sa kanya ni Wico. Matute, passing it out to Alex Almario.
Alam mo, pag alis ni De La Cruz, yung Wico, yung pabalik, ganun din. Hirap lagi si Matute. Ito ulit yung press nila. Kanina ko pa pinapanood, isang pasa o dalawang pasa, mabe-break na nila to.
Abueva breaking it on his lonesome. And that's the way to break a press.
Just give it to Abueva. Ako sa laban.
Hindi, kailangan maka-score ka parate para hindi maging effective yung press ng kalaban.
Villarreal hitting that long bomb. So baba na naman ng 22 yung lamang ng San Sebastian.
At least naging conservative sila ngayon.
Pascual for 3. Lopez in the fast break. And it's down to 20.
Making some headway. Well, very important para sa JRU, huwag silang ma-frustrate kapag na-break yung press nila. If na-break yung press, just try to delay the offense and force San Sebastian into shots that they're not comfortable with.
Foul will be on Alex Almario. Ralph Montserrat papasok at si Christian Maconocido para sa JRU. And Maluhanag papasok na rin para sa San Sebastian.
Pinahinga na itong si The Beast, Calvin Abueva. Talking about The Beast, alam mo ba?
Oh,
si Darak nanonood.
Ay!
You know?
Gusto ko lang batiin si Darak. Ang ganda ng dinaro mo. You're playing very well, Asi. And I hope I'll see more of that in the coming conferences.
Parang pang-college na naman yung laro ni Asi. Di ba?
Ako nga, high school na eh.
Asi Taulaban, inspiration to all the big men in the PBA at his age, playing so well. At ang napakaganda ng kondisyon ni Asi Taulaban.
Iba yung pinapakita ni Asi ngayon.
Sanggalang uupo na rin. So, yung buong Pinatubo trio nakaupo na.
It's a good time for Coach Opex Robinson to rest his 3 players. They're comfortably up by 22, and then you can extend yung kanilang pahinga, including the time in between the 3rd and the 4th quarter.
Alam mo, galing ng timing eh. Nilabas si Matute, nilabas si Almario, puro mga reserve yung pinasok, tsaka niya ilalabas. Ang galing talaga ni Coach, Coach Topex. Kilala niya yung mga kasakalaban niya.
Maconocido.
Tendency na pagpasok ng tao.
Lopez, up and under. Mendez, rebound will go to Michael Miranda.
One of the guys na hindi natin nakita masyadong magandang pinaro so far sa JRU, itong si John Lopez dahil sa fouls.
Maluhanag extending that lead for San Sebastian at timeout ang hinihingi ni Coach Vergel Meneses. Just trying to stop the bleeding as fast as possible. 66-44. Magbabalik po ang inyong NCAA on Active.
Is down away to SmackDown.
And Christian taking out Alberto Del Rio.
Dahil ang World Wrestling Entertainment nasa Active na.
Slater from behind. Here comes Kane. Oh, one superstar's down.
Risks in peace. WWE SmackDown, Linggo, 9 p.m. sa Active on IBC 13, the official free TV broadcaster of the 2012 London Olympics.
And it has been the Pinatubo Trio show led by the leading man, the Beast, Calvin Abueva. Lahat. Ang offensa, depensa, rebounding, fast break, half court, and anong gusto mo galing kay Calvin Abueva. Siya bahala. Siya magbibigay sa'yo.
Bigyan mo lang ng bola, marami na pangyayari.
walang kagandahan sa ginagawa ni Calvin Abueva. Look at his stat line. 22 points, 7 rebounds, and a couple of assists din ang pinapakita nito si Calvin Abueva. And yung kanyang field goal shooting, 10 out of 16. So yung one of the things na napapansin sa kanya ng ibang mga tao, or the ones that would actually pinpoint on his game, meron siya mga 4 shots. But pagka ganyan yung field goal shooting mo, 10 out of 16, we haven't really seen a shot that he scores.
Alam mo, pinabawi niya sa depensa eh. Nabawi niya sa hustle. Lahat.
Nate Matute making that three-pointer.
Alam mo, pinapanood ko itong Matute. Parang square na square siya. Galing ng jumping.
Who does he remind you of in the PBA? Kung magbibigay ka ng isang player na parang ganun din yung laro, Nate Matute with that kind of shot, this Rico gets blocked right there. Another opportunity for San Sebastian.
Iba sila ng posisyon, pero parang si Jimmy Alapag. Di ba, mabilis, pero pag titira, very shifty, pero pag titira, lagi silang square. Hindi ko masabing sarili ko kasi tabingin na ako. Pero mas gusto ko na isingit kanina.
Hindi mo naman yung three-pointer galing kay Nate Matute. Just drilling that. Kailangan niya ng konting tulong ngayon. Miranda, masok yung dalawa. Ronald Pascual papasok para kay Michael Rico. So ang lima ng baste is Binuyan, De La Cruz, Abueva, Pascual, and Miranda. Maconesido, Villarreal, Montserrat, Matute, and Lopez ang lima ng JRU. Matute kontra De La Cruz. Foul on Miranda, masyado mataas yung depensa niya kay Matute doon.
Pero napakaganda, napaka-agresibo ng depensa na pinapakita ng San Sebastian against Nate Matute. Alam nila itong si Matute is the #1 scorer, so they're making him work for every point.
Actually, lamang na sila ng 21 pero dinodouble pa rin nila sa Matute. Hard show pa rin sila, mga big men nila pag gano'n.
Lopez sa loob. Foul galing kay Abueva. And you know, another, yun nga yung sinasabi nila yung mga nagiging problema sa game ni Calvin Abueva is, yun nga, minsan may 4 shots, tsaka minsan masyado maraming turnovers. It's fixing that little by little as each game goes along.
Well, you know, when people, sabihin natin, pinupuna yung laro mo, you have to take that in stride. Positive criticism yan for you to be able to improve. At magandang bagay yun na actually pinapansin ka. One of the things that one of my coaches said before, sabi niya, patakot ka kapag hindi ka na pinupuna or hindi ka na pinapansin. Because that means wala ka ng halaga.
It's exactly what Coach Topex Robinson was saying a while ago. And, you know, when you have the engine of Calvin Abueva, pati yung, kasi si Coach Topex ganun na ganun din eh. Yung engine niya, he'll do everything just to get his team a win.
Alam mo, pinapanood ko rin siya kanina pa. Parang hindi siya nararatel eh. Lalo na pag binigay ka Calvin yung bola, alam mo, relax na relax siya. Alam niya kung ano yung bibigay ni Calvin.
Pascual for 3. Ho-ho! Ronald Pascual!
That was a heat check for Ronald Pascual. And he's hot. 19 points today for Ronald Pascual.
Abueva.
Alam mo, JRU played that ball pick very well. Kaya lang talagang top shot, he made that shot, wala ka lang mahingi pa.
Tingnan mo naman. Matute was right there. Yan yung parang, yung coach, no. Okay. Pascual naman sa pass break. Maconesido with the foul. The hoop and the arm.
If in the previous play, napakaganda yung depensa na pinakita ng guards ng JRU. That time, they didn't do such a good job because they let Pascual lead the offense. Pinabayaan nilang makuha niya yung tamang posisyon, protektahan yung bola, even got the foul and the basket.
Alam mo, kaya pala si Verhel, pero parang alam ko gusto niya nang magalit eh.
Parang gusto niya na magsuot ng uniform at siya na maglaro.
Pero hindi matatawaran yung mga ginagawa ng players niya. they're still fighting kahit down sila by 24 points. Makikita mo sa depensa. Talaga lang nasusolve ng San Sebastian yung press nila.
At natapat na magandang laro ng tatlong yung trio from Pinatubo. Diba? Na Pinatubo trio, napakaganda na nilalaro para sa San Sebastian.
At yung parang yung laro ng tatlo gusto nilang pakita na sila pa rin ang one of the main teams to beat here in Season 88. Pascual for 3! Oh! Mintis na yun. And that will do it for the first 30 minutes of action. 74-50. 24-point lead para sa San Sebastian Golden Stags. They're throwing up PBA-like numbers right now.
Well, they're playing so well, moving the basketball. The big three are scoring. And look at the scoreboard, 74-50, 24-point lead para sa San Sebastian.
74-50, 24-point lead para sa San Sebastian Golden Stags, and they must be happy right now. Kaya puntahan natin si Miss Ai de la Cruz na may kasamang mga San Sebastian fans. Ai!
Yes, kasama ko ngayon ang fans ng leading na San Sebastian Stags. Also, guys, balita ko meron kang position sa iyong school, Regine Relosa. Ano ba yung position mo sa school?
Yeah, I'm the Vice President External of the Supreme Student Government of San Sebastian College.
Kasi sabi mo kanina, kilala mo talaga yung players, nakakasama mo sila sa school. Yung iba ba kaklase sila? How are they in school?
Ayan yan. So, hindi lang sila sa sports nagpo-focus. So, talagang pumapasok sila sa klase, especially si Vitog, si De La Cruz. Talagang classmates ko sila sa ibang subjects. Talagang kahit may game, pumapasok talaga sila. So, yun. Hindi lang talaga sila sa basketball. Talagang pati sa academics.
Eh kayo naman, as part of the student council, anong ginagawa nyo para sa team?
Yan. So, we provide balloons. So, you can see naman, may mga balloons kami pinaprovide and tarpaulin to show support para sila.
So, supportado naman pala ng buong school ang basketball team at talagang pumapasok daw talaga sa school sa basketball players ng San Sebastian. Good role models again. Back to you guys.
Thank you, IE. It's 74-50. Parang si Tom din naman di ba? Pumapasok din naman kayo. Oh, there's something going on right now.
Getting entangled.
Yan na yung frustration ng JRU, no? It's been a long day.
Well, they're trying hard. Ang problema, mas maganda lang talaga nilalaro ng San Sebastian in the first 3 quarters.
Tignan natin ulit. Right there on the right side of your screen. Just getting entangled up. Matute. Oh, such a sweet shot.
And every time he gets free, 90% of the time, he will make the basket.
Lahat na nakita ko na sa kanya. Romine with the ball ngayon off the pick.
And to make things even worse, delay of game pa ang JRU. So, free throws para sa San Sebastian. Technical foul ang ibibigay sa Heavy Bombers.
Aaron, ang ganda ng report ni Ai at sinasabi ng kanilang mga people come from the same school. Pumapasok, oo, yung mga players ng San Sebastian. You know, we have to be honest na madaming nag-iisip na usually mga basketball players, nakafocus lang yan sa basketball. But you like that players are students first before athletes.
Kayong dalawa, pareho kayong student-athlete dati?
Ako naman kasi nag-aaral talaga ako.
More than the athlete, student ako naman.
Oo. Kasi, alam pa naman yung future ko sa basketball, hindi ganun ka.
Eh ako nga, hindi nga ako student-athlete. Hindi nga ako student eh. Baka ayaw ka rin mag-aaral eh. Pascual missing on that attempt. So, it will be San Sebastian ball. Sanggalang. Driving. Nanatili pa rin sa San Sebastian yung bola.
Alam mo, too much gambling pa rin yung JRU.
As you see, the backcourt of JRU. Tingnan mo naman, 30 galing kay Matute, 11 from Almario, 9 from Kamasura, 4 from Villarias, and Mendoza with 2. That's not seen today. Today, 21 for Matute, Almario, Kamasura, Mendoza, only combined for 6. Villarias lang, yung pinakaiba pang naka-double digits.
Well, if you look at the scoring, para dito sa JRU, hindi gano'n nagkakalayo. Ang problema, they're being outplayed by the San Sebastian top 3. They're just playing superb basketball, especially itong si Ronald Pascual. In the past 2 wins ng San Sebastian, guys like Abueva and Sangalang have been scoring. Pascual not so much, but tonight is the breakout game of Ronald Pascual.
Drive and pass by
John Lopez finishing right there. So, pupunta na naman siya sa free throw line. And the whole... you have to feel bad for John Lopez. Nakikita mo na gusto niya sanang uminit, pero wala lang talaga siyang pagkakataon dito sa laro na to.
Mahirap yan pag nasimulan mo ng 2 consecutive na foul at mapapaupo ka agad. And then nung pagbalik na, foul siya ulit. So hindi ka makakuha ng buwelo.
77-55. Sangalang kontra Mabulak. And Pascual with it as Abueva mapapasok ulit para kay Coach Topex Robinson. Antipuesto turnover. Lopez. Matute, hihingi ng pick. Mabulak kontra Sangalang. And you at least just want to finish on a high note right now if you're JRU.
And you can't give up. There's still 8 minutes and 20 seconds left in the ball game. Malayo pa yan. Mahabang oras pa.
Sangalang trip. Mike Miranda.
Alam mo, sayang yun. Nag-5-0 sila. Tapos, muntik na mag-turnover. Kung na-stop nila yun, di sana mas magiging decent ng konti.
Lopez. Nakakakuha ng foul. 2 free throws para sa kanya.
Ang problema nito, pabalik na naman si Calvin.
As uupo na ngayon si Mike Miranda. Ito na siguro yung final hurrah ng 3. As Antipuesto and Joven de la Cruz ang sasama doon sa Pinatubo Trio. Lahat gumana para sa San Sebastian ngayon. And when this team is playing like this, it's really hard to see if any team can beat you when you're playing this well.
It was difficult to beat a San Sebastian team that's sharing the basketball. The top 3 guys are getting their points. Tapos nandyan pa yung ibang mga players nila, the guys that were outshined usually by the others. Pero pinapakita nila yung kanilang worth in terms of defense, being able to help rotate the basketball. Napakaganda ng chemistry na pinapakita ng San Sebastian.
Kahit umi-score yung 3 ng ganong kalaki, pero lagi yung tingnan yung mga kakampi nila, nasa tamang space parati.
Look at Sangalang fighting for that offensive rebound. Nagkaumpugan pa sila na ni Abueva. Ginawanan na lang. Mabulak is blocked by Pascual. Antipuesto na agawan. Tinagawan mo ulit.
He never gave up. Nag-turnover siya, umawi pa rin. So para sa akin, hindi lang yung 3 pinatubo connection ng crucial dito. Lahat sila.
Antipuesto, galing Cebu. De la Cruz hitting that one. So, aakit na naman ng 26-point lead para sa San Sebastian. Mabulak in this rebound. And De La Cruz in the open floor. Berhel Meneses. It is 28 points that separate the two. San Sebastian looking good.
Simula July 28th.
This could be possible. I want to make my world records unbreakable.
So I've really got to just prove myself.
Sports 5 presents the 2012 London Olympic Games. See how greatness inspires. People Active, an official free TV broadcaster of the 2012 London Olympics. Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Oishi. Open up to everyday surprises. Oishi. Oh wow!
85-57 ang lamang ng San Sebastian, and we go now to Ai de la Cruz with a report on Calvin Abueva. Ai!
Kung mapapansin nyo, may suot-suot na white na headband dito si Calvin Abueva kapag naglalaro siya. Sinimulan niya raw suotin yun simula nung second game nila. Nung first game nga ay natalo sila against Letran, pero simula nung second game na sinuot niya yun ay tuloy-tuloy na, sunod-sunod na ang kanyang mga panalo sa games. Kaya kinoconsider niya raw ang headband na ito bilang lucky charm. At sa nilalaro ngayon ng San Sebastian Stags, hindi malayong magkatotoo ulit ang lucky charms ng kanyang headband. Back to you, guys.
Thank you. Ay, ganun pala yung kung paano dumipensa kay Calvin Abueva. Tanggalin mo yung headband. Yun na yun.
Baka na.
Malay mo gumana. Alex Almario para sa JRU Heavy Bombers. Now to Nate Matute. Bulak losing it, and it will go to Paste. Rico. Just too easy for San Sebastian today.
Just doing everything right for San Sebastian. We have 87 points on the board. There's still 6 minutes left. At yung kanilang kompensa, in the flow of things, walang four shot, napakadali ng basketball.
Ano, kahit sino siguro kalaban na San Sebastian, kung ngayon nila kakalabanin, parang mahihirapan.
Biggest lead of the game is right now 30. 87-57 ang talaan natin.
Alam mo, bumalik pa si Pascual. Parang may last push pa silang tatlo.
Mukhang hindi pa sila pagod eh.
Mukhang.
At alam mo, pag naglalaro ka and you're playing this well, hindi ka talaga napapagod.
Ito na naman yung press break.
Abueva with under 6 minutes to go in this game. For 3. Back iron rebound. Will go to JRU. Villarias. Hingi ng pick kay Lopez. Almario. Conta antipuesto. Lopez. Lea Pera. Mintis. Rebound to Lopez ulit. Sanggalang. Stepping on the line. Pero maganda pa rin yung depensa na pinakita niya doon.
Alam mo, yung depensa nila sa ball pick, napakaganda. Napakaganda. Hirap na hirap tuloy makakuha ng free shot ang mga taga-JRU. Kontrolado pa nila yung rebound.
JRU started the season out 3-0. Tatlong panalo po na sunod-sunod simula ng season 88, and everyone started to think that, you know, this team is really a contender. Does this loss take anything away from them?
The JRU Bombers?
Yes.
This is a game that, like what Coach Boybit was talking to me about off the air, is it's good that they actually will lose in a game this early, because 3-0, people did not expect them to go 3-0. So even them, baka na yung expectations sila biglang tumaas.
Oo.
So you want a loss like this to bring you back to where you want to be. Reset button lang to para sa JRU to be able to set their sights on the next goal. You know, when you set your sights of, let's say, winning the championship or even going to the Final Four, pagkatapos nun, you have to work back and work on smaller goals something more achievable to be able to see and understand nasaan na ba talaga kayo.
You see the stampeding Stags nga natin, ano? They've won their last 2 games after losing the opener to Letran, beating Benil, and then moving on after that. Pero tingnan mo naman yung Pinatubo trio na to, no? Look at those numbers.
You cannot ask for anything more from them. Major numbers para dito sa Pinatubo trio.
87-60. Magbabalik po ang NCAA on Active.
Pilipinas, mapapanood mo na ng live ang 2012 London Olympics. 14 days na lang. Tutukan ang record-making and breaking action dito sa Active, an official free TV broadcaster of the 2012 London Olympics. A presentation of Sports 5.
Yung NCAA on Active. 5 minutes to go in this game at inandog ng San Mig Strong Ice at Sports 5 ang bakbakang Crisanto the Slugger Pipitoke kontra Justin the Shocker Cruz para sa PXC Bantamweight Championship. Mamaya na po ito, 7 p.m. Well, it is live right now sa Inares Sports Arena, Pasig City at eksklusibo mamaya po. Dito lang yan sa Active ng 9 p.m. Ronald Pascual for 3. Abueva, offensive rebound.
One more rebound. Double-double na naman si Calvin.
Grabe. Diapera galing sa labas.
And if you're JRU, you want to be able to take this game, you look at the positives. Ano bang nagawa mong tama? Ano ba yung kailangan mong i-improve on? So for JRU, one of the things that they need to understand, John Lopez cannot get into foul trouble early dahil nakakasira ng momentum yun for them.
Well, reality check. Siguro kasi pag nananalo ka, meron ka man nakakalimutan maliliit na bagay. So babalik si Coach Verhel, kasama yung kanyang coaching staff, mas maitatama niya yun. Mas makakatulong sa kanya sa latter part ng tournament.
Yun yung sinasabi nila, di ba nila, pwede ka makakuha ng positive sa mga negative Talo nga, pero makakatulong yan early on in the season, tulad nga na sinasabi mo kanina, Dom. Under 4 minutes to go in this game. Antipuesto. Binigay kay Maikez. That is an offensive foul. And John Lopez, mukhang nasaktan siya na ng konti.
Malaki rin itong si Marquez
Maikez, medyo malaking tao no? Dexter Maikez from Pampanga. Tamasura, nakapasok na rin para sa JRU. Lopez to Nate Matute for 3. Yan ang positives.
Positive.
And you like it that Nate Matute, he is the leader of this team. He's not giving up. He doesn't have his head down. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang laban.
24 points na para kay Nate.
Alam mo, pinapanood ko siya simula ng jump ball hanggang ngayon. O yung facing niya pareho pa rin.
Chill na chill, ano? Maikez ang may rebound. Cueva driving all the way. Foul. At no free throws na naman yan para sa ating beast. You know, with so many things just adding on to the games of not only Calvin Abueva, pati na rin kay Sanggalang and Pascual. You know, you have to have your eyes on that matchup at the end of the first round na magtatagpo itong San Sebastian at San Beda. That is definitely one game that you need to have your eye out for.
Well, you look at San Sebastian, natalo sila sa Letran ng opening game. That was actually a good thing for them. Dahil simula pa lang, nabigyan sila kagad na they are actually beatable. So for JRU, they need to take it the same way. But San Sebastian, ever since that first loss, has just improved
every game. After beating, losing to Letran, tinalo po nila yung Pinil. And then they just kept it going, beating Perpetual. Ngayon, manhandling JRU. My guess, Mentes, mananatili pa rin sa baste. Papasok ngayon si Michael Miranda. A little over 2 minutes to go. Kamasura off the glass. Down to 23 is the lead of San Sebastian.
Yung favorite player
ni Dom.
Ikaw din naman, di ba? Because he's calm and composed. Knows how to move the basketball. Reminds me of Moises Victoria.
Yun.
Sabi ko nga, after 4 years, makukumpleto niya na yung playing years na. One good thing about him, alam niya kung saan siya pupuntang spot, paano siya magandang pumasa.
24-second shot clock violation at mukhang hindi pa tapos itong San Sebastian. Papasok pa ulit si Calvin Abueva. And we got a timeout on the floor. Tinawagan ni Coach Benel Meneses. Magbabalik po ang NCAA on active.
Hungary ang powerhouse pagdating sa water polo. Simula nang sumali sa Olympics, 9 na gold medals ang nasungkit nila. Pinakamarami sa history ng water polo. Bukod sa Olympics, nagcha-champion din sila sa World Cup at European Leagues. Simula noong 2000, sila pa rin ang champion pagdating sa Olympics. May makakapalang na kaya sa kanila ngayong 2012. Active, an official free TV broadcaster of the 2012 London Olympics, a presentation of Sports 5.
Kung may mga litrato kayo na nagpapakita na nag-cheer o nagbibigay ng suporta sa inyong paboritong NCAA team, ipadala lang yan sa amin sa Twitter at NCAA on Active o sa Facebook, facebook.com/NCAA on Active, at baka kayo na ang aming susunod na Instafan.
Yan ang favorite, Aaron.
Oo.
Tsaka, you have to credit our director, Francis Opilo, sa ating nahanap.
Kasi, pag ganun, pag pinapakita natin yung mga fans, meron akong binabasa eh. So, hindi ko nakikita. Para sa iyo yun, Dom eh.
Hindi, para dun sa kasama natin.
Of course.
Wala pa ako, kapapasok ko pa lang sa inyo pa lang yan.
Patikim pa lang yun, Coach. With over a minute to go, Binuya. Offensive foul. And Coach, I mean, kung may mga players dyan na gusto maging tulad ni Calvin Abueva, di ba? Meron ka naman
Salamat,
diba?
Aaron. Bukas meron kaming basketball clinic. Actually, ginagawa namin to since the summer sa Taguig, sa pamumuno ni Mayor Lani Cayetano. Every Saturday and Sunday. Tomorrow, nasa Bagong Bayan kami. Ginagawa to ng YSD, yung Mutant Sports ng Taguig. Pinangungunahan to ng kapatid ko, ni Big.
Wait, naging kapatid ko yun.
Yung mga tiga Bagong Bayan, magandang bukas sa amin dyan.
If you wanna learn from one of the Victorias, pumunta na kayo doon. Madami kayong matututunan dyan.
35 seconds to go. Isang rebound for Calvin para matuloy-tuloy yung double-double niya.
Mukhang kailangan na niyang bumaba. Nate Matute for 3. And this rebound. Oh, he does it. Oh, there's the rebound.
Did it.
Double-double.
Another double-double para dito kay Calvin Abueva.
That is
his 4th consecutive double-double performance this season. Pero it doesn't end there. He had 14 consecutive double-doubles in the last season. So 18 straight na para dito kay Calvin Abueva.
Wow.
In 22 games last season, 20 out of 22 double-doubles.
Grabe. Wow, that is definitely a feat on its own.
18 straight double-doubles for Calvin Abueva.
Ang natatandaan ko, amaze na amaze ako yung sa double-double na, yung consecutive. Pero kanina napansin nyo, di ba? Sabi ni Ai, bumabagsak na siya sa semento. Kanina na bumagsak siya dito, parang baliwala talaga.
Pero nga mga sinasabi yung iba, pag ganyan kalaki at kalakas yung katawan mo, usually pag bumabagsak ka, yelo yung balikat mo, yung player. Pag kasi Abueva yung bumagsak, kailangan i-yelo yung sahig.
As the last desperation shot is missed, that will do it. First loss of the season para sa JRU, 101-78. Ang panalo po ng San Sebastian Stags kontra sa JRU Heavy Bombers.
Well, a great game for the entire squad of San Sebastian. Calvin Abueva with 25 points, 10 rebounds. Ian Sangalang with 19 points and 10 rebounds. But the guy who started it all para dito sa Baste, a guy who they've been wanting to play well, itong si Ronald Pascual, 11 points in the first quarter, ending up with 26 points and 7 rebounds. Just a great game para sa Baste.
He is the player that we chose as the player of the game. Coach, your thoughts on Ronald Pascual?
Alam mo, isa to sa mga potential players na pwedeng makapaglaro sa PBA. If there's one guy na tingin ko na pwedeng maging Dondon Ontiveros, 8 out of 13, how can you go wrong? If he decided to go to the PBA this year,
baka pwede pa.
Pwede.
26 points, 8 rebounds, 8 for 13 from the field para kay Ronald Pascual. 101-78, panalo po San Sebastian kontra sa JRU Heavy Bombers, and they move themselves at the top of our standings para kay Coach Boybits Victoria, of course, for Dominic Uy. Ako po si Aaron Atayda para sa lahat kami dito sa Active. We'll see you next time. Dito lang yan for more exclusive coverage of the NCAA.
Program is presented to you by San Mig Strong Ice, the premium strong beer. Slide smooth, strike strong. And also brought to you by
Action. It's the name of the game on IBC, where the action is.
This program is rated SPG. It contains scenes with themes, language, violence.